Hi everyone, welcome back. It's a new month and you know what that means. There is a new exclusive bundle with Nails Truly. So we're going to do a mani today and we're going to unbox this exclusive bundle for the month of August. And I am so excited for the theme of this month. We had some really good themes. We had Lisa Frank the month prior, and then last month we had Christmas in July. This month it is the perfect theme, especially because back to school is starting. It is Dr. Seuss. So the first thing in here is some really fun rings that you can wear with your manis or your Nelfies that you take. I just love that. I think they're super cute and fun, perfect for the fall season. Also, this bundle would not be complete unless there was a cuticle oil. And this cuticle oil, it's amazing. It is Kool-Aid scent, and the name, oh yeah, it's everything. And this artwork on the bottle, it has me cracking up because I think it is so fun. It is perfect. It smells amazing. And then here are the two dip powders that are included in that exclusive bundle. So let's get into these decal sheets. They are so fun. They are Dr. Seuss. We had thing 1, 2, the Lorex. We have the fish, one fish, red fish, blue fish. We have my favorite, green eggs and ham. I think it's so fun. We have some color with me sheets, which I'm super excited about. We're going to do those in a few days here. And then we have the places you will go. Aren't these adorable? And then we have this other one here. This is, I believe it's the elephant. Yes, it's the elephant. Horton Hears a Who. And then we have these really fun ABC ones. Oh, they're just so fun and it totally melts my heart. So we're diving right into this mani here with the two colors from the exclusive. So each exclusive bundle has 2 dips and then it has a whole bunch of decal sheets and then it has a cuticle oil and then some extra goodies in there. The hardest part about this whole mani was figuring out what decal sheet I was going to use. That was the hardest part. So we ended up going with the places you will go. And to start off this mani, I'm going to use an exclusive color from Nails Truly. This was in my exclusive bundle, which was a Disney bundle. And I think there might be one bag left, but this is just a shimmery white. It's a great staple background for placing decals. So that's what I'm going to go in with first just to get those nails white for the decal background. I like to do my lighter colors first when I'm doing a mani just so I don't cross-contaminate my whites. So I cured that for 30 seconds. It's super full coverage, so I only did 1 dip. And now we're diving into this really fun Dr. Seuss theme dipped called Who's Who, and it is so fun. It is like a lemony lime color. It is bright but not too bright. It is stunning and it has a very beautiful shimmer here, and you can already see with these dips that they are super full coverage. So if you did like 1 dip with Who's Who, it's more of like a jelly coverage, but if you do 2, it totally builds up and it's the sparkly goodness, and I just love it so much. And I think the name is so cute. So we're only doing 1 color of Who's Who. And then we're diving into this gorgeous blue here. It is everything. It is called Bluefish. Isn't that gorgeous? It is so pretty. So we are doing the gel method today. And then we're going to be placing some decals. But I also have something exciting. The whole week, the rest of the week, we are doing a Dr. Seuss themed week here on my channel. I'm so excited. You're going to see a lot of different colors in action so you can really see how dip powders perform. And then we're going to do some decals. Of course, we're going to be using all of the sheets that you saw here in this bundle so you can see everything in this amazing bundle in action. This theme is everything, and I thought it would be perfect to just do it instead of like spreading it all out through August. I thought we would just do a whole fun week of Dr. Seuss, especially because back to school is starting soon, and if you're a teacher, this bundle is gonna be fantastic. And if you like making press-ons, this is going to be a really cute bundle too. So that's another reason why I like to make press-ons, is because there's a couple of reasons why. First of all, I spend a lot of time doing my nails, right? And if I do peel base, I feel like I am just popping off a really fun mani and then I get really bummed out. So if I have a press on, then we have it forever, right? So that filing and buffing real quick that you just saw me do, that's all I had to do was clean up the sidewalls and the free edge. And then right now what I'm doing before we go in with those decals, I'm doing a layer of gel base and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And while that's curing, I am sticking that decal in the room temperature water for about 20-30 seconds. And then I'm going to use a jelly stamper here and see how this backing is coming off really nicely. If that backing is not coming off like you saw there, dip it back in the water for a few seconds and then the backing will come right off. And then I am just using a jelly stamper to stick on that decal there to help it lay really flat to the nail. Plus you can kind of see where you're placing it with the clear stamper. So I'm just gently pressing down this decal here, and then I'm going to do another step here in just a few moments. We're going to clean up that extra decal that's hanging over the edge, but we're going to do the same step here with this other decal. So another reason why I like to make press-ons is because I really want to show you how dip powders and colors perform, to make sure that, you know, if it's a color you have your eye on, so you can really see how the dip powders perform on like a full press-on nail versus like on my hand. So that's another reason why I like to do press-ons, plus they're really fun to do. So best of both worlds, right? You get to see this week how colors perform, and we're going to be adding some decals. But if you have not made a set of press-ons, you definitely need to try it because it is really fun. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking this flat brush here that has a little bit of acetone on it, and I'm gently just moving away and cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge, and gently removing and melting away that extra decal that is hanging over the edge of that nail. And you just want to make sure you're taking your time. You don't want to have a too oversaturated brush, because if you get too much on the nail or are pressing too hard, you're actually going to start dissolving away that decal, and you do not want to do that. If you end up doing that on accident, all you're going to do is file and buff that decal off and then start your process over. Or if you haven't tried decals yet, another thing you could do is try it on a swatch stick or like a press-on like we're doing right now. And then I gently put that brush over the top of that decal too, to just help any air bubbles, and then everything is laying super flat to the nail. And how cute are these decals? They're so fun. Then to seal in these decals, I am going to do a layer of gel base just to make sure we do not disrupt them or there's no lifting or anything like that. And then just make sure when you are using full coverage decals, you are capping that free edge as well. And then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. But I just think this theme for the month is amazing. I know I say that like every month, but I feel like each month just keeps getting better and better. And now that we're heading into the fall spooky season range, things are going to get even more better. So I'm finishing up with this mani with a layer of gel base all over these nails. I cured it for 30 seconds. And then to finish up this mani, I'm going in with a layer of gel top coat, and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And I did the rest of the nails off camera, but how awesome is this mani? These dip powders are everything. They are the perfect colors. They complement any sheet in this pack so well, and I just think it's just such a fun theme. And those gels that I was using before too are also HEMA free, so if you suffer from any gel allergies, that might be a good option for you if you love the gel method. But overall, I love this theme pack. You're gonna see all these decal sheets here in action, and we're gonna be using so many fun colors this week on my channel. So I hope you're just as excited as I am to dive into Dr. Seuss world this week. And also in the comment section below, let me know what your favorite Dr. Seuss book is. I would love to know. And again, I will link everything that we use in today's mani, including everything you need to know about this exclusive bundle. I also do have a discount code if you ever are looking to purchase from Nails Truly. That will be in the description box below as well. And I will see you all in tomorrow's upload.